Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of May, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.09. Now, let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund has broken the wide and falling short-term trend upward. Firstly, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may very well signal an early shift in trend. Following this reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been breached, specifically at $515.69, a level that could present a second opportunity to capitalize on a rise. According to fan theory, the next possible peak level is $596.72, which may pose a resistance that is not easily surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 10.76% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -25.21% and -11.27%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 6.41%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -5.67% to +17.22% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $489.27 and $608. Our latest daily update for VOO features the headline, VOO ETF downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Friday trading session. The VOO ETF price experienced a decrease of 0.108% on the last trading day, Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, dropping from $519.23 to $518.67. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.82% with a low of $517.37 and a high of $521.63. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.48% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume declined on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is actually an encouraging sign, as volume typically follows the ETF. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 222,000 shares, resulting in a total of 5 million shares bought and sold for approximately $2.43 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price stood at $442.80. Currently, the price is 8.02% or $45.23. below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 concluded the week down by nearly half a percentage point, breaking its 2-week win streak and settling approximately 7.88% below its record close from February. Such reversals can trigger caution among investors, particularly affecting VOO, which closely tracks this index. Recent commentary highlights VOO's valuation risks amid rising macroeconomic uncertainties, including ongoing tariff disputes and fears of stagflation, raising red flags for potential investors. Additionally, President Trump's proposed tariff adjustments have created market volatility. While there has been some optimism regarding a United States-United Kingdom trade deal which sparked initial rallies, the uneven nature of these economic changes could lead to unstable performance in the near term. As the market struggles with mixed signals, VOO and similar index funds may experience fluctuating prices as traders reassess risk. In the longer term, the potential for sustained economic difficulties could negatively impact investor sentiment, possibly leading to a reevaluation of stock allocations, especially for those favoring a more balanced domestic and international equity exposure strategy. Investors should remain vigilant, as these factors not only affect immediate trading, but can reshape the investment landscape for months to come. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $517.70 and $502.75. A drop below any of these levels may trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, May 2nd, 2025, and so far it has declined by nearly 0.4%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 6 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 23 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 44 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $499.10, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $4.26 between its high and low, representing 0.82%. In the past week, the ETF experienced a daily average volatility of 1.14%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $529.39. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $499.10. Should this support level remain intact, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund and have not established a stop loss. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to predict a continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of May, we anticipate VOO will open higher by approximately 55 cents, beginning trading at $519.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.